Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining my series of videos on technologies. Right now I am discussing about search engine optimization, and this is the third video on the series of search engine optimization, and I am creating this video for the team who are going to do internship with my company, that is MySys IT Services OPT Private Limited. I am offering internship with various roles, including digital marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, SEM roles, along with other full stack development, C++, manual tester, accessible tester, cyber security, um, Python automation tester, Selenium tester. Like that, many roles are available. And I'm offering a 1 month free internship right now, and also fee is reasonable in the initial period. It may change soon, but if you join now, you will have a 3 months internship with 3,500, and extension is 3,500 for each month. This is a limited offer, and then it might change, and you will get an opportunity to work on various projects listed here, like adrev.com, softrev.com, couponsnagar.com, couponsnagar.in, netchess.biz, netchessrummy, netrummy.biz. Like that, many programs are there, many projects are there, which you will be part of the project development, and you will also get an internship certificate from MySys IT Services OPT Private Limited, which is a registered company and an MSME company. Okay. And you will also get an opportunity to work on the games. So um, if you are interested, ping me to work on these projects. uh, to come back to this tutorial, I have discussed with the introduction and research and analysis, and uh, you know till keyword research tools. Now let's actually start with website design guidelines, how it should be. So these are very much useful, for you to understand the guidelines, and how it is showing, and how the site should look like, and there are uh, many websites are there, like keywords planners, trends, semrush. There are third party consultancy companies are also there, which are actually making suggestions for a lot of improvements for ranking the site to the number one site. So but let us start. How do we do it on our own, and then we'll see how we can actually take it forward. So as an intern, your responsibility is to make my portals compliant with the SEO guidelines, and then give the suggestions so that they actually rank higher in the respective search engine. So that is the target. So let us actually understand what is the important guidelines to create the quality content. Choose the best keywords, as I mentioned, right? There are various tools which are available, like Google keyword planner, Google Trends. We already seen. Okay, Google Trends. Okay, uh, trends dot google.com, and then okay, you can also use Chat GPT. Okay, or any other for example, give me the keywords. Give me the keywords for classified ad promotion website adrevo.com. Okay, for SEO. Okay, so that it actually help us to give what are the keywords or niche keywords. It will actually give, you see, what are the long tail keywords and short tail keywords and branded keywords. Okay, so all these are the keywords. Similarly, you can use Google keyword planner, Google Trends. You can actually verify what is the trend of this particular keyword. Okay, in this Google Trends. Okay, what is the trend of this particular keyword? Okay, so how many people are asking, right? So only few. Okay, or let us actually give a general long tail keyword. Best site to buy or sell online, for example. Is there any you know uh, site which is actually pointing to this one, right? So there are such keywords, tools are there where you can plan. So if there is no competition, that means if you optimize your site with that keyword, that means if anybody types that particular long tail keyword, your site is the most likely to be listed in the number one search result, okay, page. So that is the keyword analysis, and then get the keywords. Nowadays chat gpt or Gemini or WhatsApp llama, which is actually available right now in WhatsApp. I just used it. So there are various various Gen AI tools available, which will ease our life, very well, very easy because of this, and easy to create the keywords. But we don't know where our search engine sites will go, from search engine to the ChatGPT. Rollover is happening. So let us see how these Gen AI tools will transform our impression to our particular sites. Okay, let us understand that, and we will we are at the crossroads, and we will see how it will actually go into the next step. So original unique content, incorporate related keywords is not enough. Your content must be original and unique. It should not be copied from any other site, or otherwise your website will be penalized by the search engine. So the sites like our website, okay, for example adrive.com, definitely people write a post, right, like in Facebook, okay, like in YouTube, okay. So definitely people will actually, of course YouTube will be a unique content. You should not have duplicate content. So people are posting, okay, the websites, and right, we need to identify fake ad, or you need to identify a duplicate content, or we need to identify less the we have to, we can ask whether is this the content suitable for the classified ad, and is it unique, like that we can verify. And if it is not unique, right, it will become a duplicate, and search engines will think that this is the content content site, and or links, okay, and search engines may penalize, okay. So have enough words, so use your Gen AI tools to get more words, or more enough words to, for example, if you see this ad, okay, it is having a very limited so not sure this will actually, the title is there, but not sure if Google actually, if you type it here, okay, if we type it here, I'm not sure it will actually give a relevant um, link to our site, because lot of such keywords are already present right now in the market, and it might not actually attract search engine to list our site into their first page, okay. So when people are typing, the title, it should be unique, and it should not be a duplicate. And usually people, when they are actually submitting to the classified portals, okay, so they will use the same ad title and ad content to all the classified portals. There are thousands of classified portals are there, and then it will become for the search engine, so it will become a duplicate, and it will be difficult for the difficult for search engine to listed. So to overcome that one, we need to add kind of reviews in this in this okay, so that it will actually become a unique content, and users opportunity to actually submit their reviews on this particular ad. It may be a new feature which we are going to add it in the later, but that is the best way to improvise on our website. And for others also it should be unique, and don't make it as a common title and description, and a duplicate content it will have. It will and also have enough words to display uh, your content. Okay, so optimize keyword density is also very important. So since keywords are very important, you should not think that okay, let us stuff the keywords, and then that is the initial stages of search engine, right? When it is evolving or it is a kid, initially it actually took the keywords, and then it started ranking initially, and then people started utilizing that and then taking it forward. So like that it is getting into evolved state, and each and every release. Okay, search engines are incorporating the lessons learned and then moving forward. Even though they hit their revenue, but with the algorithm update, they are actually targeting the right content to be searched, and right content, right search results to be visible is where the is the target of search engines, so that user experience will be better, and ultimately it will lead to a good revenue for them also. So short paragraphs, okay, big paragraphs do not appeal users, so people tend to don't read the entire long text. Okay, so they just want to glance it, and then read it first a few lines, and then if it is relevant to them, then they will see. Otherwise they will move away from their sites. Okay, so it should be relevant, it should be star, it should be crisp and concise. Okay, and bullets and numbering will be another way of representing, and it will be concise for the search engine also to analyze. Nowadays if you see, right, chat gpt or metas llama or Gemini, they are all actually scrapping the web scrapping the internet with all the websites, and then they are actually building their own knowledge graph based on what they actually get it to. So misleading content will also lead wrong knowledge feeding. Of course it has its own intelligence to detect the wrong knowledge feeds and wrong knowledge feed, but it will have its own disadvantages. And similarly for the search engines, if we actually give a long keywords, it might have a wrong impression, and then sometimes it might ignore indexing your site. Okay, so relevant linking, also your content should link to the relevant pages, to the external or internal. So for example, fashion related page, if you link unrelevant links, so it might lead to confusion, and then then it will actually may not be considered as a right link. Okay, and then it is always if you are preparing the content, my recommendation is to submit this to the ChatGPT or any GenAI tools, and then verify that this content which you are presenting is in the right format or right order, and right, or you can actually ask the GenAI tools to rephrase it, and it will excellently return back with the right content, which will require a one or two read and verify that, and then take it forward for your websites. Okay, so let us understand what are the um, design guidelines. What are the design guidelines? content optimization is the process of making your page more appealing to the search engines and users. It is not only restricted to using the best keywords in your pages, but also focus on various other parts of your website, like the um you know like the quality of the content, broken links, title tags, meta tags. Once your content is optimized, and search engine can actually easily find and index your websites and show up in initial pages of the results. So these things needs to be taken care to see that it is working as expected. Focus on the following better content optimization techniques. There is a title tag which you have already seen, right? So there is a title tag. So you need to have a proper title. For example, if you see the page source of HTML, okay, there is a title, right? So a title, and this will become the top heading, right? This whatever you are seeing heading, which is the same as this one. So your title tag should be proper, and then should be visible, and which is concise, accurate, and relevant, are considered best for content optimization. Okay, so your role is to identify the best title tags and then suggest for the websites, so that it will actually become valid. Okay, so best title tags should be minimal 50 to 60 characters long and correctly describe the content on the pages, and then must have targeted keywords at the beginning of the title tag. And meta description, it is the information which Google displays on the uh, you know results page. For example, if you search the internet, right, Google, through Google, you will get the title and description, right? So meta description is the whatever you write in the description, it will be displayed. For example, here, so what is the meta description? Let us see if it is there. Then if it is not there, yeah, description is there, right? It is actually showing some keyword stepping instead of actual description. So Google definitely will ignore and will not display. Okay, so but this is the title place where you have to write it in a meaningful way, so that it will give the display in the search results place. Meta keywords, okay, are the set of keywords which are there, but currently these keywords are not considered as the uh, targeted keywords. So it seems this keywords is ignored. Fresh content. So your page should have a fresh content, and it should not be a duplicate or copied from some other. So what is the design and the layout of the website? So design and layout of website may be appealing, but if it is not SEO friendly, it cannot achieve higher rankings in the search engines, search engine result pages, SERPs. Okay, the search engine cannot interpret the content just like us and the visitors. So the web page may not look the same to search engines as it looks to you. So it actually crawls, right, and then it actually traverses to that HTML document. Okay, so it will have its own algorithm to analyze whatever the important content. For example, description, title, and H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, like that, and then body of that particular and any other links. Okay, so all those things have to be placed. So keyword placements, you should keep it in a right way, like right to throughout the site, like body text to headlines, headers, meta description. So proper alignment is required, so that Google parser can analyze it properly and index it properly. If it thinks that it is a junk content, then it will ignore it. It will not index it. And there should be a navigation must be user friendly so that users can easily find the desired information in less time. That is, moving from one step to another step should be simple and quick. Okay. And primary navigation should be are near the top of your page, and add navigation options in footer of the web page. Add breadcrumb on every page to make users aware of their navigation paths. Add a search box near the top of your page. So all these things, we need to adapt so that uh, Google search engines will navigate it properly and index it properly. URLs and file names. URL should be SEO optimized so that search engine can easily identify it. There are a number of ways to optimize. Incorporate keywords in the URL so that it could clearly tell what it is in the page. Minimize its length to make it easier for users to copy and paste. Don't use URLs that contain random letters or numbers. So it is recommending not to have, the URL like this. The way this adrev.com, is showing, right? Not recommended. The title, you see, only the ID part it is showing. It should be proper title. Okay. The images, website images are important, and it should be proper. It should not have a more size, and minimal size is required, and it should be having the alt content also, and it should proper alt text as I mentioned. Okay. And it should be placed in the right place so that it can nowadays search engines will have the capability of analyzing the images also, and finding what it is there also, and then it might recommend or it might add in the search results also. So but if you give the image now to the chat GPT, it will actually tell what is the what is the meaning of that particular image also nowadays. So now it has become a more intelligent. So, and your fifth one is simplicity. See, visitors come to the site, you know uh, just have a, they don't have time to go through the entire content of your web page. Okay. So just quickly glance it and then move away. They ignore 90% part of your website. Okay. So that is the 10% of opportunity you have to get the glance of your users, and then you have to ensure that to take it to the right link or a right decision, right? So another aspect is your website should be authentic, and it should be secured also. Okay. So that people should not think that the links which are mentioned in our website are spam, or it might actually siphon money from them, right? So it should be authentic, and it should be proper, and it should have a proper SSL certificates, and proper authentication, and you need to have a mechanism to ensure that spam is removed from your website, and a proper for example, in the adrev.com, right, a proper ad needs to be there, and spam ads needs to be detected and then removed immediately. So that is all about this tutorial. So if you have any doubts, you can actually reach out to me. This is the third video on the SEO optimization. I will create another video on page SEO, one video, and off page SEO, another video, because definitely that takes a proper time. So coming back, I am offering internship, and with various roles for my websites adrev.com, software.com, couponsnagar.com, and couponsnagar.in. I have this is adrev.com is a affiliate marketing site, also ad promotion site. It is a classified portal, and you can actually post your ad free, and get your get visibility to your website too. So this is an excellent opportunity, and I have listed all over the world cities, and it is a local classified and local yellow pages. So also I have an affiliation marketing with Rakuten.com, where I can actually give a promotion to the various products. Okay, that is also another one. And so you will get an opportunity to work on this website various roles. So people who are watching this video for digital marketing, it is an excellent opportunity for you to work on the digital marketing field. Similarly, software.com is a software listing site, and I have a tie-up with various software developers and merchants, so they can directly list their software, and if it is linked to the Avangate, share it, or Cloud Badge, we can actually take it forward, this one to the next level. I also have a manual testing opportunity, and ad creation opportunity, and YouTube video ad creation opportunity. If you are interested, you can actually come and join my internship, and each product you will get the opportunity to test and review, and then give your feedback, so that I can list it, and you can become a manual tester and reviewer, and you will also get an opportunity to claim yourself as a reviewer. And I have other projects like couponsnagar.com, which is a coupons website, where I have tie up with various vendors, and I list the coupons here. So if you are interested, you can join here, and then work on the portal development, and taking this portal into that next level. And MySys, what you get it, I'm offering a free and fee based internship. One is 1 month I'm offering a internship free for the few joiners, and then you can continue as a you can continue as for another 3 months to gain the experience in the internship, and get that our company is MySys IT Service OPT Private Limited, which is a MSME company also. And you can actually take it forward as a internship trained in a particular roles, and you can actually explain what you have learned during this internship for your job prospects also. And I have many roles. If you are interested, you can actually come and join my internship. That is all about this video. If you are interested, okay, connect me at WhatsApp, which is mentioned here, 807-430-5128, India number, 91 unit add. And you can connect me in LinkedIn in VMR, and as well as you can actually send me emails at submit@mysys.com to reach to me for a discussion on the next steps. Thank you all for joining this video, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and comment, and keep watching my videos for my upcoming videos. Thank you. Yeah, thank you all. I'm closing this video. Bye.